In this video, I will show you how to make light inside the nut. For this, we'll need a walnut. We open it and polish the inside. Next, we make many small holes for the LEDs. We'll also need a string of LEDs. Specifically the LEDs from it. They need to be placed into the small holes. Everything should look almost like this. I separated the positive and negative wires. And it should light up without any issues. In the other half of the walnut, I glued in a 3.7-volt battery. As you can see, our DIY project lights up very brightly and looks beautiful.